Tompkins campground there. And apparently last night they had too much water down there because they're closed for season right now. Oh, you could see where some water went here. You can see it right here in the roadway. You see where water went over there. Water come down from this direction into that campsite right there. It's a problem down there. It's a problem. I'm gonna let you see what I'm seeing. This is a problem. This is usually full with campers. I don't know if you can see it enough. This is usually full campers down there. All campers got out, okay. But yeah, that lake is holding back a lot right now. Oh, do I see something white back there? No. But here's what we got. Look. Yeah, let me take you down a little bit. Yeah. I got roadway right here beside me. See it? Right there. That's roadway. That's coming down the camping area right now. It should allow you to come down the camping area. But as you can see, water. Water ain't supposed to be out to the last tree you see there. Let me expand this a little bit. See that there? Like way out there? That's where the water level is supposed to be. This area back here is not supposed to have any water in it at all. I'm really hoping people got out safely before this happened to them. Wow, I never thought I'd see this. This is the first time, and I've lived here for 21 years, and this is the first time this area has been underwater. Wow. We're gonna go to a little pathway here and see how the water looks here. Because just from out here on the road, that water looks like it was up quite high. Even this pathway feels like there might have been some water in it. Let's take a peek. And what I see down there looks like logs pushed right up against the bank. Let's find out. Join me on the trip down. Oh yeah, there's water down here. Look, even on the side there's water. Check it out. There's never water over this far. Wow. Oh. Lake's doing what it's supposed to do, is hold back a lot of water from the village of Lawrenceville. Ooh-wee, and everybody downstream from there. And wait till I show you what I'm looking at right now in front of me. I usually can walk down another 100 feet before I hit the water, but this time, not gonna happen. Right there it is. It's right in front of me. I'll zoom in so you see the log debris up there from it. See the log debris? Oop. Get a little higher. There you go. See the log debris? Oop. Wow. Wow. Wow, wow, wow. That's all I can say is wow, wow, wow. Oh, wow. Good thing this lake was here, or else Lawrenceville would look for another flood. I'm coming up to the road where barricades were on there, and we're gonna walk down to it. As you can see, there are barricades still there. So let's take a peek. Let's take a peek. Whoa. I don't know if everybody can see that. Nope. I don't know if everybody can see that. I'm going to try to go down. Okay. I'm going to try to go down. Your water's run down through a sluice pretty good. Here, let's take a look at that yet. Oop. Hear it? I know you can hear it. Don't bother. And, well, this is about as far as I can get. Let's just see, there's water right there in front of me. That pond has overflowed itself. But, as you can see, water was probably up on their campfire. Because it looks like we have water in it. There's ashes spread all over the place. Water's up in here. Wow. All right. I'm gonna keep it outside a little bit. Keep seeing this water damage is up here. Boy, it did hit their electric. They had shut off the electric. I see it pull out in the water. I don't know if these guys can see this, but let me bring this way. That okay? How about the pull in the water? See it? Yeah, electric had to go off. I'm sure of that. All the campsites down there seem to be emptied. And which is good. I'm glad everybody got out in time. But they're definitely empty. Sorry about the sun, guys. It's right in front of me. Beautiful green grass. Oh wow. Wait till you see this. Yep. That would be enough to end this season. I'm camping right there. Okay, now I'm going to go further. I'm going to turn this off for a second. I found some more water for us. This is a dry land up here, just above the road. You usually have a roadway clean out to pass some bushes out there. There's a road out there somewhere to drive down through. Folks, I'm not sure if you're seeing what I'm seeing. But this is total disaster happened down here to these guys. There's a boat out in the water. And I just talked to a gentleman up there. He said that them boats out there, the mines out there, were fastened to the dock out there. And that boat out there is passing to a trailer, and some of the trailers for these boats got washed out in the water somewhere. I was talking to them, and they said that water once was probably a good quarter mile from where it starts to the end of it. No wonder I seen people going out here this morning, really jumping out here. Look, we got electric poles down here and water, and that's parking lot. We're looking at a parking lot down here. You're supposed to be able to park down here. We're looking at a parking lot. Yep, this lake surely did what it was supposed to do.